Hi there, wild ones. I'm Pat. I'm gonna need to start over. Hey there, wild cats. My name's Pat Killeran, and this is Community Cup. Karen, can we do one more? Hey there, wild cats. My name is Pat Killeran, and welcome to Community Cooks. We have a great show for you today. One very close and near from my heart to yours. This is one of my favorite foods and items to bring to the table, and it's by name orange. What we're going to be talking about today is how the best way to do an orange is. Orange is a great specimen. Its color is the same one as its genus is called a round shape, and this color very beautiful. Get it a lot of times in states like Florida and also over in Japan, and also great source of vitamin B. So really great item we have here. So let's get down to the core of orange. That's just a joke. Oranges don't have corns. They have a middle section in the hollow called nebula. And so let's get down to the nebula. So the first thing with an orange is sometimes you can just peel it like this, but other times you might need to grab some sort of cutting device. This one is a little melted, so I'm gonna go get one right now. Karen, where's the knife? Karen, and we're back. So we found this great knife, and so I think the best way to go about it is just to make a cut right. Karen bleeding. Now that we got that all wrapped up, it's not a big health hazard. It's fine. So first thing is we're just gonna make a slight cut in orange. Great. And next step is we just Karen, keep bring the other orange out. Keep bring the other orange. There, great. So now there you see we cut open the orange, and it's a beautiful red color, just like the name says of it. And now you can just eat it however you want, with a spork, or with your hand, or with your aunt and uncle, or just however you feel to do orange, you do it that way, and really good for you, and just full of the carbon dioxides that you need for your everyday life. So that's all for orange this day, and now we can go enjoy a really good time with friends and family, and just orange you glad about it. And my name is Pat Killeran, and this was Community Cooks.